The course that I'm coordinating is Evidence-Based Health. This is a 15-credit, fully online course run by the University of Aberdeen. This course is designed to teach the student how to conduct a systematic review and also how to get that evidence and take it right down to the implementation level. So putting evidence into practice, either with an individual patient or in an institution or perhaps even at national level. This course is aimed at both those students who might go on to work in healthcare research, so maybe health services research units, for example, because that's where a lot of the systematic reviewing is performed, particularly for national level projects. The course is also very much aimed at health professionals who would benefit from being able to identify and synthesize the evidence, to write the guidelines, and then to be part of the team who are implementing the guidelines. And that is something which some health professionals will be fully expected to do as part of their role, but for others, having this on their CV will put them at a huge advantage when it comes to perhaps getting a first job or for promotion later on in life. Aberdeen has a very strong evidence synthesis group, so a group of researchers who conduct systematic reviews, and this is something which has allowed us to develop the course because there's a body of expertise there who are doing this work day in, day out, often for government initiated reviews, and that's something which we're able to share with the students on the course. And we also have a good team of clinical academics who are able to give the clinical side to the implementation of evidence. This course is made up of 10 units, but it's essentially split into two parts, with the first part being all about how to do a systematic review and the second part being all about how to implement evidence in practice, looking at both the facilitators and the barriers to that. All the material is delivered online and the majority of it is delivered in video format. Many of the tutorials are PowerPoint presentations with audio, but there are also a number of, for example, video interviews with clinicians giving examples of how evidence is used in daily practice. There are also a number of self-testing quizzes, and there are also discussion boards which go with each of the units of the course, and you'll have a different tutor overseeing the discussion board for each of the units, and that tutor will have expertise in that area. There are also a number of reading materials provided, and these are really, really useful resources, and they certainly form an important part of the learning material. There's an average expectation of around about 15 hours a week for this course, and that is made up of watching the videos and also of reading. So it's very varied from one unit to the next, or at least how the student uses their time, but that's something which the student will be able to have a lot of flexibility around.